Hi, welcome back to another YouTube video. This YouTube video is a bit अलग वैसे मुझे बस चिट चैट करना था and what can be a better place than my YouTube channel क्योंकि hardly कोई देखता है. You know what I mean? Anyway, if you are new to my channel, hi guys, I am Jyoti and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, so I have started वापस से making YouTube content वो भी regularly because I want to make this my source of income. Okay, so सबसे पहले इस वीडियो में I'm gonna do it's not a haul but I just want to show you guys what are the stuff that I got in PR जून में. So basically मैं जून में थी नहीं यहाँ पे. I was मेनली मैं अपने घर पे थी. मैं जहाँ रहती हूँ, लाइक आई स्टे इन बैंगलोर, सो मैं वहाँ पे उतना थी नहीं, तो इट इज़ लाइक बिट लेस बट आई एम स्टिल ग्रेटफुल. सो जस्ट वांटेड टू शो यू एंड जस्ट वांट टू शेयर सम टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स हाउ टू गेट इट, व्हाट आर द थिंग्स टू डू एंड डोंट्स एंड काइंड ऑफ स्टफ. So let's get started. In case if you don't know about me, I make skincare and makeup content, like in general lifestyle content. So you can follow on my Instagram. I have mentioned the link in the description. And these are the things that I have got in PR in June. So let me just show you what are the things that I've got. First thing that I've got is this foundation from Milano. It's Skin Veil Foundation Ultimate Radiant High Coverage Long Wear Foundation in 40 ml. I have got two shades of it, so I'll just let you know what are the shades. So I have 03 Natural Beige and it's 04 Natural. So these are the two foundation. I'm yet to try it. If you want to know the review, you can just check it out on my Instagram. You will find it. अभी तक post नहीं किया, but yeah, soon. Thing that I have got is these two, you can say this is 2% salicylic acid pimple gel for active acne. Actually during PMSing and stuff I get a lot of pimples. So ये एक तरह से pimple gel है. You just go and put it on your active acne and boom, it just vanishes. It's really good. ये मैं यूज कर रही हूँ पिछले कुछ टाइम से, मतलब कुछ दिनों से, and it has helped. So तुम लोग अगर चाहिए तो ये ले सकते हो. This is from a brand called Dermadoc Honest Science. It's a good one. Next thing that I have got, और ये मुझे बहुत टाइम से एक्चुअली चाहिए था क्योंकि on Instagram जब ये लॉन्च हुआ था तो every damn one was using it on Instagram, and this is nothing else than Maybelline New York का Super Stay Terry Tint. और मुझे इसमें दो शेड्स मिले हैं. That is one is 120 Endgame and one is 20 Mascara Tear. So basically मैं सारे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स को Instagram पे देख रही थी ये यूज करते हुए, and trust me when I tell you it is so good. I love this shade. This is Mascara Tear. It's like brownish kind of a shade and so good. Can you see it? Actually मैंने already lip oil लगा रखा है, but this is such a nice shade. So super excited to try these. The next thing that I have got is this is a set of 3 serum from the Juicy Chemistry. ये उनका एक नया latest launch है called the Glow Code where actives meet organic. So this has 3 serums. One is 10% vitamin C, one is 2% alpha arbutin, and third is 5% lactic acid plus 3% flower acid. And trust me, this serum is like really good for pigmentation. Somebody who has pigmentation and acne spots, it really works. So मैं अभी इसका latest vitamin C और ये alpha arbutin रात के टाइम में कभी कभी यूज करती हूँ. And if you can see, right, I do have a lot of acne का वो pigmentation and it has helped heal it. So in case if you are looking for it, you can go for it. ये देख सकते हो इसमें 3 है. मैं ऑलरेडी निकाल चुकी हूँ इसमें, बट जस्ट वांटेड टू शो यू गाइज दैट दिस स्टफ एक्चुअली वर्क्स. और नहीं, ये कोई पेड प्रमोशन वाली वीडियो नहीं है, बिकॉज nobody even watches, no brand watches my YouTube video here, but yeah, this is something you can definitely go for it. In case if you're looking for something for hyperpigmentation and stuff, this thing will work for sure. Like you have to give it like 15-20 days. मैं पिछले 10 या 15 दिन से लगा रही हूँ. It has worked, so that's why I'm suggesting you should definitely get it. Now we have some skincare, not some, like quite a few. So the first thing that I've got is this Dot & Key का दो products. So one is Dot & Key Vitamin C plus E Super Bright Sunscreen. This is one of my favorite sunscreen. ये already मैं एक use कर रही हूँ. Dot & Key के in fact every sunscreens are really good. I mean, beginner friendly. If somebody who has started using sunscreen and stuff, you should use it. So easy on your skin, easily absorbs, and it's really good. मैं इसका ब्लू वाला भी यूज कर रही हूँ, which is barrier repair, and it's quite good. And second is this one. This is Dot & Key का Vitamin C plus E Super Bright Moisturizer. This is also good. ये already मैं एक bottle लगा चुकी हूँ, but it's good to restock your skincare products. So I can never say no to skincare. Always a yes. The next product that I have got from a brand that like it's more like my dream brand. मतलब मैं down the line अगर मुझसे कभी पूछे कि if I want to be a face of some brand, I would definitely choose that brand, and that brand is none other than L'Oreal Paris. So this is not like L'Oreal Paris, it's L'Oreal Professional Paris. So I have got these two products from them. One is L'Oreal Professional Paris Absolute Repair Molecular Shampoo, and then we have is Absolute Repair Molecular Peptide Bonded plus 5 amino acid hair mask. Actually ये मैंने use किया है 2 बार, ठीक है, already. I am not sure if you can see it. Wait, I'll show you. Yeah, you can see, right? I have already used this twice, and it actually helps smoothen my hair, because my hair is growing and like it's a bit long, because my mother will not let me cut it off, because it's just that she don't. तो ये एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट है कि शायद अगर मेरे से कोई बोलता खुद से खरीदने के लिए, तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं क्या, कितने का है ये भाई, मैं ये 1600 का हेयर मास्क तो नहीं खरीद पाती, ठीक है. आई ऑलवेज स्टिक टू वेरी बेयर minimum kind of a thing, that like Bare Anatomy का, because it's cheap and it's good. I use that. 1600 का हेयर मास्क, I don't think so. बहुत अगर ऑफर में भी मिलता तो ये 1200 का मिलता, जो शायद ही मैं ले पाती. So yeah, I am so grateful कि like L'Oreal has sent me this, so just excited. The next thing that I've got is quite a lot of products from Foxtail. So I'm just gonna show you one by one. So the first thing that I have got is this Foxtail ka niacinamide clarifying serum. It really works good. I mean, niacinamide is good for somebody who has oily skin and like तुम्हारा पिंपल पुंपली है, तो it helps you to brighten and stuff. Then I have got Foxtail का Super Glow Face Wash. ये मैंने use नहीं किया है, so it's good. It says cleanse, hydrates and brightens, reduce tan and boosts glow. It has papaya, enzymes and vitamin C. So super excited to try it. Then we have Foxtail See For Yourself Vitamin C Brightening Serum. It fades dark spots and even skin tone. Vitamin C, too good. I mean, अगर कोई मेरे से पूछे कोई एक सीरम जो मैं रेगुलर बेसिस पे यूज करती हूँ, that is this Vitamin C serum, not from Foxtail but from any other brand. Like I have used it from Plum, I have used it from Minimalist, I have used it from Dot & Key. मैंने ये अभी Juicy Chemistry का मैं यूज कर रही हूँ. Then there are some other छोटे छोटे brands also जिनमें vitamin C content ज़्यादा होता है for the brightening stuff. So I have used that, so I'm super excited to try this one. The next that we have is this Foxtail का hydrating cleanser. Cleanse deeply and removes makeup. Good one. But मतलब मेरे पास अभी makeup remove करने के लिए और products है, तो probably I'm not gonna use this right now. I'm gonna keep it once I empty these products. If you can see, I'm not sure if you can see, I have a lot of. So once I empty those, I'm gonna use this for sure. Super excited. Next, they have sent me something that is like one of my favorite product from Foxtail, जो मैं बहुत regularly use करती हूँ, is this Foxtail का the Stunner Skin Radiance mask. It cleans pores, reduces blackheads and improves skin clarity and tone. It has lactic acid, Brazilian purple clay and kaolin clay. So actually ये मेरे पास already है. I'm already on my second डब्बा. and they have already helped me, restock it, so I am super excited and super grateful for it. So yeah, then I got this cute little freebie, which is always good to have. So yeah, this is actually all the stuff that I have got in last 18 days. Yeah, क्योंकि जून में starting में I was at home and then I came back here, and yeah, I'm just grateful, to be honest. मतलब मैं ये नहीं कह सकती ओ कितना कम मिला, because this is also good. मतलब अगर मुझे खुद से खरीदना होता तो I would have doubted कि मैं इतनी सारी चीजें खरीद पाती. So I'm super excited for that part. So yeah, thank you to all the brands that they are watching. Well, I know that they don't watch it here, but yeah, I'm grateful for them to sending me all these products. Coming to like, yeah, उतने ही products थे. So coming to the end, see, it's not like you get free stuff and you can just keep it, because मुझे content deliver करना पड़ता है. जो भी product आते हैं उससे related, so there will be brief वगैरह वगैरह. I mean, half of you know, right? And एक चीज़ बस मुझे अच्छा लगता है कि आई डू गेट टू ट्राई प्रोडक्ट्स जो मैं हमेशा से सोचती थी शायद मैं खुद से नहीं खरीद पाती, बट या आई एम काइंड ऑफ हैप्पी अबाउट दैट. सो दैट्स अ प्लस पॉइंट फॉर मी. एंड सेकेंड थिंग इज कि मैं एक्चुअली जब से ये सब प्रोडक्ट्स मिलने लगा मैं बहुत देती हूँ लोगों को, लाइक टू माई फैमिली, टू माई ब्रदर, टू लॉट ऑफ पीपल आई नो. सो लाइक आई जस्ट गिव देम. लाइक लास्ट मंथ ऑल्सो बिफोर गोइंग होम आई हैव couriered अराउंड like 3-4 parcels to all my friends and stuff. So I mean, मेरा हमेशा से यही मोटिव था कि once I become a content creator, I get free stuff, so I can give everybody free stuff. क्योंकि मुझे कोई गिफ्ट नहीं भेजता है, and I like gifts. So मैं सोचती थी कि मैं सबको गिफ्ट भेजूंगी. So kind of happy about that. And yeah, that's it for this video. मतलब मैं चाहती थी रेगुलर रहना, so just wanted to come here and post and say hi everyone. That's it. And अगले महीने से it's gonna be like a particular day. I'm yet to decide a day, so you can follow me on Instagram to see. But एक particular day where you know I'm gonna post a particular YouTube video, and I'm super excited for that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. अगर आपने ये वीडियो यहाँ तक देखा है, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. In case if you haven't subscribed it, go subscribe it. अपने घर परिवार वालों से करवा दो, because उनका कुछ नहीं जाएगा, but it will help me a lot. And thank you so much for being regular here and helping me grow, watching my content and stuff. But yeah, thank you so much. See you soon in another video or vlog. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy.